Hi, my name is Lindsay Mersman. You heavily rely on various systems and applications to perform day-to-day tasks, such as maintaining, managing, and analyzing financial statements, processing payroll, managing budgets, ensuring tax compliance, and many more. Inadequate systems and integration can lead to data discrepancies, errors, and reconciliation challenges, which significantly disrupts your overall workflow. Additionally, any unexpected downtime or cyber threats can result in a loss of critical financial data, leading to severe financial impacts for your organization. EAG staffs highly skilled IT professionals, including engineers and data architects, who specialize in securing and integrating your applications to streamline your overall workflow and reduce the risk of data discrepancies. Since our IT team is highly experienced, IT issues are resolved in a single call, eliminating delays and reducing the need for follow-ups. EAG also offers advanced threat detection, security assessments, and asset protection to combat spam, viruses, and threats to keep your business running. Don't risk losing financial data to unnecessary downtime or threats. Contact us to learn more.